Hello, how is everyone? Okay, so today in SS we're going to look at weather and climate. We'll look at weather and the climate. So we'll look at what is weather, what is climate, and the elements of weather. So what is weather? When you say weather, weather is a condition of the atmosphere of a particular place at a given time. Weather is a condition of the atmosphere of a place at a given time. We can say it's a state of atmosphere of a place at a given time. So weather changes. It's not the same. It changes from time to time. For example, the weather of today this morning is not the same with the weather of today in the afternoon. You find in the morning it can be cold, in the afternoon to be warm. In the morning it can be raining, and in the afternoon it's not what? Raining. So it changes. And also weather varies from place to place. The weather of a certain place today cannot be the same with the weather of another place on that what? Day. For example, you may find that in Chongwe, in a certain area, it can be raining, while in another area it's not what? Raining. You can find that in Chongwe it is raining, or in Kitwe it's not what? Raining. Yeah, in Ndora it is warm, in another place it's what? It's cold. So our weather varies from place to place, area. So now let's look at climate. What is climate? So climate, this is the average weather condition of an area over a long period of time. For example, we've heard of people saying, no such a place is very hot, no such a place is cold, or such a place receives more rainfall than another what? Place. So that's the climate of that what? Area. Now, we look at weather. Weather is made up of different elements. And so these elements are, we've got temperature, wind, rainfall, sunshine, humidity, air pressure, and the cloud cover. So in our next lessons, we'll be looking at each of these weather elements in detail. We'll look at what is temperature, what instrument is used to measure this temperature, and so on and so forth. So in our next lessons, we'll be looking at these weather elements in details. So for today, we'll end here. And before we end, let's just have a summary of what we looked at today. So we're saying today we looked at what is weather, what is climate, and the elements of weather. When we say weather, this is the condition of atmosphere of a particular place at a given time. And we said weather changes from time to time. And we also said weather varies from place to place. And we also looked at climate. What is climate? We said climate, it's a condition of atmosphere over a long period of time. And this can be usually over a minimum of 30 years. We also looked at the elements of weather. We looked at these elements of weather. We said weather is made up of weather is made up of different elements, and these are temperature, winds, rainfall, sunshine, humidity, air pressure, and the cloud cover. So these are the elements that make up what? Weather. So below this video, I'll send the notes and an exercise. So you write you copy the notes in your books, and you write the exercise. Once you write the exercise, you can take a picture of the exercise that you've written and post it in the group. Then I'll be able to, so that I know whose exercise it is. Then I'll be able to give you the feedback on what you've written, on how you've written your exercise. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.